Hello everyone, this is Nicholas from Polygon Alliance, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can create your own NFT Smart Contract on Polygon and deploy it onto OpenSea. No coding experience is required for this, and the collection has just as many functionalities as if you would create it through OpenSea itself. We'll be creating these minions. They come with a title, an image, a description, and properties. The first thing you're going to want to do is sign up for Pinata so you can upload your images and metadata. And you also want to register a new account on Polygon Scan so you can get an API key to verify the contract. Once you've signed up for an account at Pinata and Polygon Scan, you can head over to your files, create a new folder, and add all the images you want. You can add as many as you want. I'm just going to use 2 right now. Then I'm going to create a new text document. We're going to turn this into a JSON file later on. We can call this one 0. We're going to open it up and paste our metadata into it. I'm going to have this one in the description so you can easily copy paste it. The first thing we have here are the attributes, which are going to be these properties on OpenSea. You don't need these, but if you would like to add them, you can easily add them like this. If you don't want them, you can just remove them like this. And if you want an extra attribute, you can just copy paste and like this. So for this one, we're going to add our first property, which is going to be color. And the color of this minion is yellow. Next one that we're going to do is a creature. And the creature we have here is a minion. I've got to remove this last one. Then we've got the name, which in this case is going to be minion #1. You can have any name here as well. Description, we can add this is the first minion. And then image. For this image, we're going to have to head over to Pinata. Click on upload, file, and then select the file. We're going to upload our first minion here. And then click on upload. This is going to take a couple of seconds, but this is going to generate a link. You click here on this purple thingy, it's going to open the link. To copy that link, you paste it where the image is, and then you've got your whole metadata done. So you've got your image, your description, your name, and your properties. You're going to go to File, Save As, and here it's important that you save this file as a JSON. So 0.json, save. You can add the files here, check which one is the JSON one. This is the JSON one, so we can delete this one. The next thing we're going to do is go to Pinata again, click on upload, file, select the file, and upload our JSON file. There we go, now the JSON file is uploaded as well. The next thing we're going to do is head over to ERC-721. This is where we will create the smart contract. You won't have to touch the code at all, you can't. The only thing you'll have to go through is all these options, which I will help you with. First thing we have here is the name. This one you can just have any name you want. This is not going to show on OpenSea or anything. I have mine called Minions Collection. Then we have the abbreviation. This is the ticker that you'll see on the blockchain. This is also not important at all. This is not going to show on OpenSea. I have mine MNS because of minions. Then we have the supply. You can leave this one to unlimited, so you can mint as many as you want. Then we have the price. You don't need to set the price either, because this does not affect OpenSea. On OpenSea, you will set the price yourself. Royalties. We don't need this one either. We're going to set up the royalties on OpenSea. Then we have token URI. This one, you're gonna have to head over to Pinata. Click on the JSON file you uploaded. Copy the link. Paste that link in there. This is the metadata so that your NFTs have images and stuff. Contract URI, we're gonna leave this one unchecked. Produce deployment costs, unchecked. Multi-mint, we can have this one checked so you can mint multiple NFTs at once. Then we have a minting limit per wallet. We're going to leave this unchecked. Mint specific IDs, unchecked. Require access token, unchecked. only the owner can mint. Yes, so other people cannot mint right through the contract. They're going to buy through OpenSea. Enumerable, we're going to leave this unchecked. Minting starts active. Yes, we're going to leave this checked, because this means that you don't have to call a function before being able to mint. It just saves us a little bit of time. Approval proxy. This means that you don't have to pay gas on OpenSea. For the Polygon address, we're going to paste this one. I'll have this one in the description. You don't have to change anything with these. You don't even need these ones if you don't want to. Then set token URIs individually. Yes, we're going to have this so that we can set different images and names for every single NFT. Token parameters, nothing here. Payout, we don't need this either. Allow list, nothing there. Contract verification. This is where you're going to have to head over to Polygon scan and get your API key. To get your API key, you're going to have to go to this link. This will also be in the description. You can click on add. You can name this. I'm going to call it minion. Continue. And then you've got your API key here. You're going to copy this one, go back to Studio 721 and paste it in here. Then you've got all your settings set up. The next thing you're going to do is press on compile. This will take some time, not too long. There we go, compiled successfully. If this throws an error, you can join our Discord, Polygon Alliance, and we'll help you out. Then we can press on deploy on Polygon. This is not going to cost much at all. 0.05 Matic, we press on. Actually, we're going to change the gas fee a little bit. You don't have to do this, but it's a useful thing to do, so it goes a little bit faster. Save and then confirm. This can take anywhere up to 30 seconds or even a minute. There we go, transaction confirmed. Then it's going to throw you a link. You're going to press on this Polygon scan word right there. It's going to open up the block explorer. It's going to take some time before it shows here, but it's going to come. You can refresh the page. There we go. This actually took a minute to show up, but now we're here. Then we can see that we've got the contract creation transaction right there and the contract right here. It's already verified for me, but if it's not verified for you, I'm going to head back over to Studio 721 and click on verify. This might take some seconds, up to 30 seconds or a minute even. If it does not work to verify this, you can head over to our Discord and we'll help you out with a way to do this manually. Once it's been verified, you can head over to write contract. Here we'll have different functions. I'm going to close all of them so we can have a good overview. The only ones that we need to use are mint and set token URI. First thing we're going to do is go to set token URI. The first token is 0, so we're going to click 0. So we're going to type 0 there. Then token URI. This is going to be this metadata link. We're going to copy it, paste it, and write. First, we're going to have to connect our wallet. So connect to Web3. Connect. It's going to show you a pop-up here first in your MetaMask. I've already connected, so it's not shown for me. Then we're going to click on write and confirm. What this does is this assigns the metadata to your token. We already done this in Studio 721 for the first token, but I'm just showing you again because this is what you're going to have to do for every single token. There we go, the transaction has gone through. So now that we've assigned the metadata to our token, we can go to mint. We click on 1. We're going to mint 1 token here. Write. Confirm the transaction. Transaction has been confirmed. And we can see our collection right here, Minions collection. We can edit this one right here. You can have your logo, your banner, you can have everything here. You've got your royalties right here. This is going to pay out to the account that you specify right down here. You can have any royalties up to 10%, I believe. This is just your usual settings in your collection. You can head back to our collection here, and the NFT should show up pretty soon, I believe. I'm gonna refresh it. It might take some minutes for our NFT to show up in the collection, because it's the first one. It still has to get indexed by OpenSea. I'll be back when it gets added to our collection. There we go. This took longer than expected, but now the first NFT has shown. I think this took about 5 minutes. In the meantime, I've set up my banner and image here, changed my name as well. Gonna head over to the NFT. Then we can click on refresh metadata. Sometimes it shows, sometimes it doesn't. This one time it doesn't, so we refreshed it. Then we can refresh the page as well. And then right there we've got our title showing, our image, our description, and the attributes as well. So that all works. The next thing we're going to do is upload our second NFT. So this is what you're pretty much going to have to do every single time if you're releasing new pieces. It's just as simple as adding pieces to your collection right on OpenSea once you get the hang of it. I'm going to click on upload, file, select the file. I'm going to upload our second image here. Click on upload. In the meantime, we're going to go to our metadata here. We're going to have the same attributes, but this time we're going to call it minion #2. This is the second minion. Then we're going to go to our image here, copy that link. So we click right here, copy the link. We're going to paste that one right in here. Then we're going to go to save as number 1, all files, and then add .json behind it. And then we can head back to our files and check if this is the JSON file. Yes, it is. So we're gonna upload file, select a file, and upload number 1. As we can see, the mint starts at number 0, so that is important to remember. Then we can head back to our contract here. We can type token 1. Then we paste our metadata link, which we grab right here. So the .json files, that's the link you always have to grab and paste it in here. So then we've got our token ID 1 and our metadata. We're gonna click on write. Confirm this transaction and wait for it to be done. There we go. Then we can head to mint, and we're gonna mint 1 token again. Press on write. Then we confirm the transaction. There we go, and then we can head back to our OpenSea collection, go to our new minions collection, refresh it, and wait for it to show up. We're probably gonna have to refresh this a couple of times again. This time it may take 5 minutes again. Normally it should not take more than a minute, but I guess a lot of people are on OpenSea right now, so I'll be back once the second NFT has been shown. And there we go, now we've got our second minion on OpenSea. We can click on this one again. And then we can see minion #2. This is the second minion. We've got yellow as a trait and minion as a trait. So that all works fine. So now if you want to add your third NFT, you go back to your contract, you add token 2, and then you create your new metadata in a JSON file, upload it to Pinata, and add it into here. Then you go to mint, you type 1, you're going to mint 1 NFT, right? And then there you go, you've got another NFT right on OpenSea. And that's basically how simple it is to create a collection on OpenSea right through a smart contract. This way you won't have to rely on OpenSea or smart contracts. If you've got any questions or need help with this tutorial, join our Discord, Polygon Alliance, and we'll help you out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.